Hey, Step Up Fed, it's Masuka. I host a radio show. I'm in the Kompa industry. I do what I gotta do. Tammy calls me her #1 hater. Hating on what? I don't know, you tell me. Her music to me is trash, just like her best friend, America. She has to really step it up for me to help her get into the industry.
Sac Passe World, it's your girl Tammy Zoe here, and I'm inspiring Kompa artists. In this industry, it's very hard to break into. I deal with a lot. People slamming doors in my face, people telling me I can't sing, I have no talent, but I know deep inside I know how to sing. And I am telling you, I'm not going nowhere. Shoko shoko, la la, mama j'ai un chocolat. Who run the world, Tammy? Who run the world, Tammy? Who run the world, Tammy? My sister Sadie and my best friend America have to meet up today. Not only is America my best friend, but she is also my background singer and my background dancer. She be dropping it like it's hot for me, you heard? So it's just good to meet up with her, clear the air. She's my backup dancer and my backup singer, so.
Clear the air with trash?
Look.
Avec qui sans avec ça?
She's my best friend.
Best friend.
Tammy wants me in America to really piece it up. I don't piece it up with trash. I'm gonna trash America. That's what's gonna happen today.
Look, I don't like the girl, but because she's your backup dancer, I'll meet up with her.
Can you just please just say whatever you need to say to her, and that's it. Just throw all of the drama out.
All right, I'm gonna
like
try.
Here.
I'm gonna try. Where's she at?
Oh, hey, America.
Hey,
She literally threw my scooter.
Guys, you have to talk. With a scooter. Wait, with a scooter. With a scooter. You really just got my hair done. Wait, I just got a doobie. Whoa. I just got my doobie done. I just got my doobie done. Excuse me.
You ain't no piece of nothing. I can't stand you. Fucking get away from me. Fuck you.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? Why didn't you take up for me?
Talk to her.
You wasn't taking up for me.
Talk to her.
I'm done with you. Be gone.
So what? I did hop on her. I don't give a damn. If it wasn't for Tammy, I would really drag her and clean the floor with her and her mushroom haircut.
Hit me, bumped me with her big ass breast, threw me on the floor, and was on top of me like she was crazy. And Tammy Zoe is too busy holding her head and not doing anything. And I feel like, you know, you're my best friend. I understand that's your sister. But look at how she's on top of me, trying to literally demolish my beautiful self. You understand? Like, I work for this, I dance for this, this is what I do.
Friend, it wasn't supposed to go down like that.
Did you see? She threw my scooter.
I'll
She
buy you
threw
a
my
new one.
scooter.
I'll buy you
What
a
if
new
it would have
scooter.
broke?
I know. I'll buy you a new scooter.
I had this scooter for 2 years.
I'll buy you a new scooter. How about rollerblades?
We were supposed to talk.
I know, but you know, she's like ratchet. I'm sorry.
All right.
You know what? Let's go. Like, we don't need her. Like, we could do our thing on our own. Let's go. Come on.
We're gonna do this by
I
ourselves.
have a perfect idea.
Promise that she would never
I
interfere
promise.
with any of our
I promise.
stuff anymore.
I promise. She's out of it. Let's go. Let's go. So I've come to the realization that only I have my back, and my sister Masuka would never help me break into this industry. You know what? Forget her. It's all about me and my girl America, and we're gonna go perform and raise some money.
Hey, what's up? My name is Buddy Bills, and you can say I'm producer for the up and coming artists. And if you want to become, famous, come to me. I can do that for you. Just you have to be serious, and you have to have your own transportation, because my taxi cannot pick up anybody that don't pay. All right? Because I'm trying to get paid too. All right? You guys enjoy doing this?
Are you gonna donate?
We'll get there. You guys, do this on the regular?
Yeah, like every Friday. Friday and Saturdays.
You know, something we do.
Because I'm a manager and I can take you guys places.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I mean, only if you're serious about it.
No, we're serious.
No, we're serious. Like we need to get noticed.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, my name is Buddy.
Tammy's out.
America.
Okay. Just take my card.
Thank you.
Take my card, and we'll stay in contact.
Okay, bye. Have a good day.
Amazing. I'm telling you, when I see her, I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm almost dying.
In the heat of the moment, a bum came and tried to take our money, you know, and then we were supposed to get the money back from Buddy, but he never even donated. He said he was gonna get back to it, but we got the card. We'll call him.
Hello? Yeah, just getting home. Buddy, managing Tammy. First of all, what is he managing? He's a snake. Nah, he can't manage my sister. No. Hell no.
Buddy claims to manage rappers, actors, whatever. He was just driving a cab on Broad Street. Like, seriously? And he's managing Tammy? That's career suicide.
I'm gonna show and prove to my sister that I can make it in this industry with or without her. Like, who wouldn't want to work with Tammy Zoe? I'm Tammy Zoe. I have all the moves, all the singing, all the dancing, everything.